Hello everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to get a perfect liner and a perfect winged eyeliner in a very easy way. So the first step is that you all should do your base, which includes your concealer, your BB cream or foundation. As you can see, I've already put the concealer, I've already put the base, blush on and the loose powder, and I've done my brows also. So to achieve a perfect liner, the first thing I'm gonna do with my eyes is I'm gonna put a little bit eyeshadow on top of my eyes. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any color yet, so I'm gonna choose a very natural color. So let's see which color I'll pick. So again, I'm gonna use my favorite palette, which is the rose gold palette, and I'm gonna just do the contouring of my eyes. That is, just to give my eyes shape, I'm gonna do Shy from the rose gold palette. It's a very nude color, sort of a pink color. I'm gonna do that just for color, a little bit of color. An artificial crease, just shaping my eyes, just giving it a shape. That's it. Yeah. The same thing on the other eye. Little bit of color. Crease, just make a crease till the end, like this, in this motion, just taking it a little upward like that. So after doing this, the main key to get a perfect liner or a winged liner is a magical thing what I have discovered, and it works the best for me, and it's very easy, anybody can achieve a perfect wing, is this, the flossing thing. I mean, you just need to put a kajal. What you can do with this is you just need to put the kajal on the string, the floss string, and you just make an impression right here, from here like this, and you do it, it gives you a bit of a boundary. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. I'm gonna use my roll-on kajal, and this is Lakme Iconic Kajal. So I'm just gonna use it on the string, like here. See, it's black now. Yeah. It is so good. I mean, this particular thing, it's a hack and it's very easy. So I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna show you closely. You can see there's this gap here. From this point, you just place it and just do like this. Press it. It gives you a bit of a shade there. Alright. See, it's visible, and you're gonna do it. I'm gonna use it again, sorry, so that there's a bit of color again. Yeah, this impression. And now what are we gonna do is, now we're gonna make it more prominent with the eyeliner. I'll show you how. I usually like liners like these because they're very easy to use. Because of the tip, it's very easy going. So I'm gonna just need to fill it, like fill the whole thing and take it till here. And if you want to fill this with a gel liner, you can do that. So you keep filling it slowly, and depends how much depth you want. Yeah. See the wing? It's so perfect. It seems a professional has done it. So, and it's very easy to get this kind of wing. You just need to fill it. And I'm gonna actually fill more color into it, and I'm gonna fill this, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing here. So let's do the same thing here, and then I'm gonna fill it. It depends. If you don't want this long wing, you can do a small one. So let's do a bit small on this side. So same thing, you take the kajal, you take this, just color the string, and you can just take a little bit out, and you can wipe if you don't want it that long, so you can get rid of it. You can actually wipe it off, doesn't matter. And the same thing, so I've done it here. See, it's a bit small and it's bit bold here. So whichever one you are comfortable with, you can actually go for that. So I am more comfortable with the softer version of the liner when I put the liner. So all you need is the floss. You just need to make an impression with the thread, with the floss thread, and you will be able to achieve a perfect line, perfection. You don't need any expensive product, you just don't need anything but just this and a kajal pencil, which can be of any brand, and it's the cheapest way to achieve a very perfect winged eye liner. So now I'm gonna take this thing, completely till here. So you can use a kajal pencil, you can use a normal eyeliner, or you can smudge the kajal, all around a bit, when you take it till here. So I'm gonna do two different kind of eyeliners. One would be a bit smudged one, and one would be a perfect liner. I'll show you how. See, in this eye, I've already actually used the kajal pencil a bit. So actually I'm gonna do the kajal liner over here. So what usually I do is I go inside the waterline so that it has more impression to it. Like this, and then on top of the eye. And I'm gonna give it a bit of smudgy look. Use my angular brush, so I'm gonna brush it. So this is how I do it with the kajal. Looks pretty sweet. And I'm gonna do this one with the eyeliner. So let's see how. I'm gonna use this pen. You can go thicker. I don't like going thicker. Ta-da! So it's very important. I mean, it's very easy if you can just do like make your eye like this. Just pull it up like this and then you just fill it. So this is how my eyes look. Here it's a bit thicker, and to get this intensity, I just pulled it up like this and I have filled the liner that way. And here, as the wing is a bit tiny and it's just like a regular eyeliner, I've just filled, I've just used my kajal pencil and smudged it all across, made a bit of wing on the tip of it, so it looks very normal. And this is the bold winged eyeliner. So this is more of a bold winged eyeliner look. See the difference? So you can totally pick whichever one you like and you're comfortable with. And now after doing this, I'm just gonna quickly do my mascara. Smoky out here on the lower lash line. I'm gonna put a lipstick and I'm gonna show you the final look. I hope my video helped, and it would be very easy for you all to achieve a perfect winged eyeliner and a normal eyeliner with this hack at home without any mess happening around your eyes and without using the expensive products. Just simple, these two things can make your life very easy and simple. And until then, you practice this look and I'll see you next time. Take care, be home, be safe. Bye-bye.